In today's video, I am going to teach you how to try Klaviyo. To get started, open your web browser and go to klaviyo.com. This is the official website, and it is the safest place to begin when you are creating a new account. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Get Started and select it. This will take you into the sign-up process. Next, you will fill in a few basics to create your account. First, enter the email address you want to use for Klaviyo. Choose an address you can access easily because you may need it for confirmations and important account updates. Then create a strong password. Use a password that is long and unique with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing a password from another site. Finally, type your company website. This should be the main web address for your business because Klaviyo uses it to understand your brand and help set up the right environment for your marketing tools. After you have entered your email, password, and website, you are ready to create the account. Take a moment to double-check that everything is typed correctly, especially your email and website, since small typos can slow you down later. When you are ready, click the Create Account button. Klaviyo will then begin setting up your new account. Once your account is created, you will be asked to select a platform to connect. In this walkthrough, choose Shopify as your platform, then select the option to connect. This step matters because connecting your store platform helps Klaviyo sync customer and store data so you can use it for email and marketing automation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection and stay in the same browser session so the setup continues smoothly. At this point, your Klaviyo account is created and connected to your platform, and you are ready to start using it. And that is all there is to it.